In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to a website in card. So if you want to add your own music to your card, what you can do is you can head over first to their website, which is card.co. From in there, you should be able to see this. Into this part, you have two options wherein you can choose a starting point, wherein you can just assign a site and then sign up only when you want to publish it. If you already have a published site, you can head over and log in or click onto this open dashboard. Since I already have an account, I'll head over and click on this one and it should be able to show me in here my dashboard. Into this part, you can click onto this pencil icon in order to edit this site that we have available. Now into this will open it. What we can do next is we can just add a music to this site. You can click onto this plus icon that you can see right here. This will prompt you to add an element that you would want. Click onto this audio option. Into this, you will be asked for the URL of the video or audio that you want. So you can choose either from Bandcamp, you can upload from Google Drive or SoundCloud. You can see in here the accepted formats. So for example, you can head over to SoundCloud right here. And then choose in here the actual sound that you would want. I have in here this particular sound. I can click onto this particular part. And in here, we can see our SoundCloud option. You can head over and then share this particular sound if you would want. Just head over and click onto this right here, copy it, and put it right here in your card. And then you can see if the format is correct. If it's correct, you can save it right here and the audio will be added into this part of your card. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helps you out.